Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Friday. Well, I decided after I woke up this morning, I had a cup of coffee. I'm taking the day off or night off from cooking. Tomorrow I will be preparing the spicy creamy Cajun shrimp pasta with sausage. It's going to be andouille sausage. Last night I made the second meal of the three ingredient challenge, which contained oxtails, raspberry jam, and okra, submitted by Christian Cadre Quintana. Excellent meal. Came out perfect. I'll share that recipe later today. And today, actually, I'm not totally taking the day off. I'm going to be doing some consulting at a local restaurant here in Yuba City, and looking forward to that and meeting the line crew and so forth. So have a great Friday. I'll see you tomorrow. And again, have a great day. Eat great food. Have fun cooking.